Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about how to download and set up Gradle build on Windows 11 and how to configure on STS. So let's get started. First, I will write some bullet points. Gradle, 3 points. Prerequisites are prerequisites. Prerequisites. Java must be installed. Maven and Gradle are build tools. These build tools work .class files converted into Jara var file and etc. Other works like by using Gradle and Maven we can run goals like test goal, install goal like that. So build is a one goal. So Maven and Gradules are build tools. These build tools major work is converting .class files into Jara var file. So next third point, build.gradle is a Gradle input file. Here we are adding dependencies, plugins, etc. 4 points here. For Maven, pom.xml is there. For Maven, pom.xml is there. But Gradle, build.gradle is there. Is a Gradle input file. Here we are adding dependencies, plugins, etc. Fourth point, Gradle build to features. I am mentioning here too. Some other also there, but these are the major features. Gives better performance compared to Maven. Gives better performance compared to Maven. Allows to convert Gradle projects into Maven projects. So let's download the Gradle. So open Google, type Gradle download. So Gradle website. Gradle download for Windows. This is the downloading Gradle releases. So scroll down. Latest version is 8.10.2. Download binary are complete. We need binary. So your download should start shortly. If it does not, use the direct link. So it is downloading the bin. So bin.zip file. This link I will provide in description of this video. Download link. Fifth point. Gradle download link. I am pausing this video until this download completed. So download completed. Go to the folder. Control X cut. So it is recommended to install every software and D drive. So I am created one software folder. These are the softwares available in this laptop. So I am creating new folder for Gradle. I am mentioning 8 point something Gradle version is. So I am mentioning 8. Make sure no spaces. This is directory. No spaces between anything. After that, right click. So show more options. 7-zip. extract here. In your system, 7-zip is not installed, then you can right click. If in your system 7-zip not there, you can extract all and choose the location. After download completed, go to bin, copy this path, Control C, open environmental variables. Environmental variables, system variables, path is there, edit, new, Control V. Okay, okay, okay. So now open CMD, command front, verify the Gradle version. Gradle ---- version. See, welcome to Gradle 8.10.2. This version we have downloaded. So see here, go to download and set up Gradle build tool on Windows 11 and go to configure and STS up to download and set up build tool, Gradle build tool on Windows 11 is done. So I will go to configure and STS. This is my STS window preferences. So window preferences, this is the Gradle. See, Gradle W. Like if no Gradle installed on local or STS, by default by using this, it will download Gradle version. If you are installed in your local Gradle, then you can choose local installation directory and browse it. So go to D drive. In D drive, softwares we are installed Gradle. See selected up to the Gradle folder. So next apply and close. If you want to create any Gradle project, file new Spring Starter project. If you are creating Gradle Spring Boot project, then this is the same process. This is the type. This is the build type. So Gradle. So Gradle 2 types are there. Groovy, Kotlin. I am choosing Groovy. Next, finish. So wait some time. Gradle project will be created. See, build.gradle. Here we are adding dependencies, plugins, etc. Wait some time. This will be completed. This is the settings.gradle. It is nothing but here our this test project name will be available. If you are anytime if you are changing this test project name to other name, it will not reflect automatically. Then we need to update here as well. So build.gradle for the dependencies adding. Build.gradle for the dependencies, we're adding plugins, we're adding Groove version repositories. Like these dependencies, which repository we are downloading, Maven central repository or other like that. So this is for the, if we are changing this project name, then we need to update same here also. Now project successfully created. Now let's run this. So double click, right click, run here, Spring Boot application. I am maximizing control, maximize. Here now is started. This way too, we can download and set up Gradle build tool on Windows 11 and we can configure on STS. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.